Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem encountered when working with data analysis. Picture this. You're trying to calculate a rolling sum in DuckDB with a window that includes all values falling within the last 10 minutes up to the current row. However, the standard approach ends up including the exact 10-minute mark as well, which is not what you want. How can we solve this issue? Let's take a look at a crafty solution. In the solution provided, we cleverly crafted a workaround to exclude the rows exactly 10 minutes back from our rolling sum calculation. By incorporating an additional window clause named exclude in the query, we can subtract the sum of the excluded rows from the rolling sum. This elegant tweak ensures that we achieve the desired outcome of having the window as row 10 minutes, row instead of row 10 minutes, row. The final result gives us the accurate rolling sum values for each time step and its corresponding values. Now, drilling down into the SQL query, we can see how the exclude window clause effectively removes the 10-minute mark from the calculation, allowing us to achieve the precise rolling sum results we're aiming for. By carefully combining the roll and exclude window specifications, we create a seamless solution that addresses the problem at hand with finesse. It's all about thinking creatively and leveraging the tools at our disposal to overcome data analysis challenges effectively. In summary, with a bit of SQL wizardry, we've managed to fine-tune our rolling sum calculation in DuckDB to exclude the rows exactly 10 minutes back, resulting in accurate and reliable results. Remember, when faced with tricky data manipulation tasks, a touch of creativity can go a long way in finding the optimal solution. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below. Happy analyzing!